First vlog, Laiba kitchen vlog. Aloo key recipe with a twist. Laiba kitchen vlogs. Asterisk aslam ik you everyone. To okay very first vlog on Laiba kitchen. Laiba kitchen. Laiba kitchen. Okay. I'm Laiba, and I'm so excited to finally say Bismillah and begin this delicious journey with all of you. About me and channel intro cutaway shots of cooking clips, spices, home vibes, so a little about me. I've always loved cooking, especially taking classic home recipes and giving them a fresh, stylish twist. That's exactly what this channel is about. Simple, soulful Pakistani dishes made with everyday ingredients, but with a touch of elegance and presentation that make your kitchen feel like a five-star space. On this channel, you'll find traditional recipes with a modern flair. Easy to follow steps perfect for anyone, beginner or pro. Tips and tricks to level up your everyday cooking. Mention of upload schedule, new video every 2 days. Just to let you know, I'll be uploading a brand new video every 2 days. Inshallah. So if food makes you happy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today's recipe, Aloo key recipe, show ingredients on screen. Now let's talk about today's recipe. We're starting off with something super comforting, Aloo key recipe, but not the usual one. Today, I'll show you how to give your Aloo dish a refreshing and elegant twist using only ingredients from your home. No fancy store runs. Ingredients we'll be using today: 4 medium potatoes, 1 onion, 2 green chilies, fresh coriander, basic spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, cumin seeds, a splash of lemon juice, a little bit of magic. We're going to mash our boiled potatoes just slightly for texture. Then we'll saute onions until golden and add in the chilies and spices. Once it smells amazing, we'll mix in the potatoes and finish with lemon and fresh coriander. The result, a dish that's fragrant, comforting, and full of flair. Final presentation, beautifully plated dish. Doesn't it look stunning? Who knew humble Aloo could look this fancy? Thank you so much for joining me on my very first video on Laiba Kitchen. I truly believe food connects hearts, and with your support, I hope we can build a beautiful community right here. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite comfort dish? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your foodie friends. I'll see you in 2 days with another heartwarming recipe. From my kitchen to yours, this is Laiba Kitchen Vlog, where every meal is made with love.